Sarap naman ata uli ang ulam. Nakataas ang paa ni Habi. Let's eat. Ang ulam ay ginitaang gabi na may hipon. Yan. Kasi dadalawa kami kaya ganyan lang. Sarap ba? Ang aking mister na so, ito naman ako. Let's eat. Again, it's already lunchtime here in the Philippines with rice. Rice is life, always rice, every meal. Oh, it's raining. Cannot go out today. Stay at home. Do some thing.
Laing.
Ay, napol di sa laing. Kain tayo. This is the laing with shrimp.
Okay naman yung alak.
Yeah. Ah, parang ano. Yummy. This is cooked with coconut milk. Abutin ng pangat. Until tomorrow, and then other that tomorrow. Will be our dish for the next day. It's already 1 o'clock. Garlic.
At
Did you put
tagal
the beef?
Kaya ang luto niyo sa tata.
Thank you. Yummy. Gusto niya? You want to see my husband? There. the the serious, my serious husband. Okay, bye for now.